Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for March 31st. So, we have the last day of the month here, and it's been a wild month, especially the second half of it. After OPEX, we have seen a lot of selling as we come into the month end. However, yesterday that selling reached the next major area of support, and we're probably at the end of this downtrend, which is why I was pretty confident that yesterday was likely the bottom. On the hourly charts too, you guys can see the trend structure had reached the parabolic stage yesterday once we broke lower, and then the the close above the previous hourly candle or the cross above the previous hourly candle would have been the end of the parabolic stage, and there's a very high chance that's going to happen today. So what happens after that? After that, we likely get a very choppy day both ways, and then that consolidation is probably going to head us for a squeeze in the next couple of days. Now, this drama wasn't just limited to the hourly charts of yesterday. It's been constant with Trump tweets. There was some news drop that he's thinking about moving out of Iran despite Hormuz staying closed. There was something else. It's just constant news barrage. But that's most likely going to be impactful for why we are going to squeeze as well as the two-way volatility here. It's not like the news events are going to make that much of a difference. So that's the overall context of things. Let's see the hourly structure. Hourly structure, this area where we consolidated for a big chunk of the day before breaking down late into the day, that's going to be your neutral area for today. So around 559 to 566. Above 566, we can look for higher prices to around 569, 572, 575, and so on. Below 559, we likely go and retest, test around 555. But overall, in this big area, we're probably going to make a consolidation that's going to lead to a pump. So my expectation for today, probably of a squeeze and then chop. So that's the expectation. Especially that the parabolic stage is over, we're going to have a squeeze, and then that's going to create the range where we're going to consolidate and have a bottoming pattern on the hourly charts for a bounce on the daily charts. I hope that's clear. On SPY, what that allows for